Evidence will help you achieve commercial success and avoid problems such as lack of both control and monitoring of processes, and instead making them practical and simple by organizing all your essential information. Forget about your burnout syndrome due to excessive software. Now you can get full control of your staff and accounting automation, increasing employee efficiency and dramatically reducing costs. Evidence is a complete and straightforward system. It operates in sync with current tax legislation, simplifying processes and avoiding unnecessary actions and human error. It contains ERP and CRM systems interconnected in more than 30 modules, including operational, administrative and fiscal solutions. Cover every aspect of your operation and administration with one comprehensive solution. Now, what do we mean by that? From the moment you log in, all relevant information is showcased. That is, if you have clearance to view such information section. On the initial dashboard, you can view sales, credit notes, purchases, payments, outstanding and executed account balance, and their corresponding shifts. You also have multiple options to readily and quickly analyze different spans. Get to know our extensive menu: CRM, sales management, services, credit and collection, purchases, warehouses, logistics, payments, banks, human resources, payroll, accounting, taxes, projects, activities, production, fixed assets, maintenance, system and users, all with superb functionality. Now let's get started, and feel free to pause this clip and come back to finish it at will. In this presentation, you will learn mainly about 10 leverage points. First, it is a comprehensive system. Second, it's 100% functional from any device. Third, it is user-friendly and highly intuitive. Fourth, our service includes training and support accessible from within the system. Fifth, easy and fast setup. Our staff will guide you step by step in its configuration so that you can massively import your catalogs and commercial information. Sixth, integration. Evidence is connected to the Internal Revenue Service. You will be able to download and reconcile all income and expense operations that the IRS has registered with your information and link them to information from the Bank of Mexico and the Official Gazette of the Federation about current exchange rates. Seventh, automated accounting, where you can configure the catalog of accounts you use so that all your operations are automated. With this policy, all your reports are produced in real time, such as income statements, balance sheet, file balance, tax summary, and much, much more. Eighth, analytical accounting. You will be able to get reports in formats such as income statements and balance sheets with filters for the intelligence or business classifications you prefer. 9. Constant and continuous improvement. Free in all versions and updates, including the latest changes in tax and business needs. 10th, Evidence can retrace information regarding when records are modified, such as who edited a sale, quote or purchase, and many other metadata records on all operations. Evidence possesses a sales opportunity management feature inbuilt within its CRM, with visual markers and access and pre-access performance and control charts, individualized information where you can hide columns, rearrange content, and apply search filters. You will readily view related functions, activities, work teams, tasks, customer information, and much more. Intuitive and user-friendly platform where we visualize information within the information, and actions can be executed even from within the chart system. Manage prospects with relevant sale-related information and turn them into customers with a single click. You will be able to stamp your documents such as invoices, payment complements, foreign commerce complements, waybills, down payments and credit notes, and enter them all, thereby achieving greater control, compliance, and fiscal planning than ever before. Besides accounting, we generate analytical accounting. You will also get thorough Kardexes with highly relevant information pursuant to automation and facilitation of processes. For instance, let us check a customer's registration, trade name, business type, commercial name, default payment mode, dynamic labels for classifying clients, default taxes for sales operations, sales personnel assignation, collecting, branch, price list, collateral, billing address, accounting balance and accounting down payment, all data meant to help in the automated account registration alongside unlimited customer contacts and affiliates or customers' receptors for the shipment of goods, which is nowadays a trend in the rendering of professional services. Additional fields within the tab. Oftentimes, depending on the business scope, certain information is required with additional fields. Evidence has the ability to add such fields without an extra code. It can attach customers' files such as references, incorporation of items, and sundry others in order to keep a customer information in a single place. Credit registration. It's a record of all changes made in a customer's credit history, with recorded amounts and authorized users to make such changes. Foreign Commerce Information Complement. We reckon with Sales Management Module on top of it all, where you can manage your sales process from the initial quote, which you can produce in a matter of seconds, copy it, forward it, or turn it into a sale. Get the best out of evidence. Quoting with unprecedented ease with professional formats and assorted design options based on your needs. The process continues with increasing functionalities in sales requisitions, sales, commissions, token management for clearing diligences, credit notes, and much more. Get to know our broad sales functionalities with adapting choices to best fit your processes. You even have a quoting feature which integrates more predetermined goods and services to match the desired product or service added amount. Customer contacts. Herein, you will be able to make contract-based automated sales. That is, written or verbal contracts agreed upon with customer along with their specifications are executed. You can make thousands of sales with a single click, perfect for subscription business models. i.e., the company has a customer who subscribes to the monthly reception of a specific item in order for them to maintain the minimum stock specified instead of having them log multiple sales for the same concept for months to come. With this function, all invoices are automatically generated. You can check up on related sales effortlessly, saving employees significant time in compliance and avoiding check-in errors. Evidence holds a number of success instances related to this function. It can authorize and turn a sale request into an actual sale with a single click, with paperwork, flow, and traceability. For instance, we can see how a quote becomes a purchase order and then a sale, warehouse outbounds, shipments and service supply, even verifying if there are related charges, anticipated charges, and credit notes, mailing, PDF and XML sampling for stamping, clearance printing, PDF in both English and Spanish, selecting the data you choose to display on the document, while being able to select from varying templates among preloaded formats for a given quote. Mails can be sent with preloaded attachments. Furthermore, you will find predetermined text with different email templates to save up time and institutionalized writing for users. You are able to clone quotes, sales orders, and actual sales, meaning you can make a new copy with a single click. You can clone any document, subtracting equal information regarding product, price, taxes, payment conditions, observations, etc. As you can see, it's a quick process which, provided a notification, you can easily subscribe to. Get to know our robust sales chart, where we can find many usual markers such as collection status, sales status when accounting policy is drafted, if outbounds are authorized, whether they're completed, cancelled, or deleted, or there exist related documents, detailed product service expedited, whether emails are sent, or registered comments, their date, sale date, updates and seal date, as well as users involved, and much, much more. All of the modules are comprehensive in their functionality, thereby time-saving for consultation with related users. For all pertinent information is comprised within the chart, and depending on the clearance level of each user, the entire sales process is made available, along with stock survey, shipment, services rendered, collection, and payment. Significantly, you rely on customized functionality, such as digital display of invoicing and XML, mailing a sale, sales support attachments and quote variants for due diligence based on added conditions. Oftentimes, companies sell products which must be complemented by volume on a non-kit basis. Wherein a kit is a list of items sold under a unified concept. With the variables configuration of the quote, system will aid user in listing certain products for a correct quote. Specialized reports. Look up and create reports in seconds. One such priority is customer benefit. We can view gross sales reports, number of sales, quote logs, discounts, sales costs, amounts collected, reimbursements, invoicing, current balance, profit statement, branch profit, user profit, wherein we can check upon sales by date, vendor, business, gross amount, etc. Furthermore, we can customize system display, concealing or shifting columns by user without affecting records and data access for other users. Charts can export data in PDF or Excel documents in order to share info with users who aren't logged in. Another feature you are certain to relish in is the annual sales report, one of the most valuable to any company. Within, we are able to find a comparative monthly sales analysis, which filters information per client, which is useful for implementing corrective measures. Never dismiss your customers and increase your sales. Get to know your report of sold goods. Inspect your periodical product sales reports, or by branch, sales status, discounts, related taxes, and more. Avoiding merchandise delays, loss of requests, as well as advising your staff regarding product handling. Now, we are introducing you to other sales components. Number 1, preset adjustments for sales operation. Automatic cancellation, sequence, and page number by branch conditions for turning quotes into sales and other configurations. Number 2, price lists, fixed prices and discounts, adjustable by percentage or fixed earning with due date, product selection, and merchandise exception. These lists may be used in gross sale or redirected to specific customers and utilized in all branches with manual fill-ins or preset Excel templates, thereby avoiding glitches, embezzlement, and losses. Number 3, commission plans, configurations meant to tally commissions on sales operations. Number 4, personalized addenda to fit customers' requests. Number 5, product registration within evidence comprises a wide range of operation aspects whereby each product is given a code for easy consultation, barcodes, SKQ, street name, related suppliers, reset point, customized sales, tax equivalence settings for purchase sale of the same product. For example, if we purchase by tons and sell per kilo, The system will automatically make conversion for warehouse inbounds and outbounds. Subscribe now and find out about more options. The Astounding Services module is 100% adjustable. Not only can you set it up based on your needs and service order processes, but you can also configure options to match the type of service, such as which information is to be included in the PDF document to be delivered to customer. You can adjust the emails to be sent depending on status, something exceptional. We have customers from all kinds of specialized services, such as retirement, sanitization, private security, tracking services, technical support, medical, and much more. Each of our customers can configure the module to meet their standards without programming. User is able to adjust their service orders with alphanumerical, switch, date description, multiple selection, and image options. Hence, you can customize your operation. In this module, you will find many other tools and sections such as personal timetables, service logs, general calendar, service processes, service logs, and much more. You will control service-related sales, description, desired duty call, actual duty call closure, address. You will control raw materials, equipment, and person responsible. You will also determine if said service has already had a sale or otherwise, even generating sales hereof, so that all services stemming hereon are due. Plus, every service will automatically create a log, which may include location, photographs, documents, and everything you need to produce service evidence. And if need be, customer can acknowledge delivery. Evidence has lots of functionalities. Try them. Get acquainted with the collection and credit module. We want to highlight it is an outstandingly thorough module and quite robust, tailor-made for companies synergying with thousands of customers, with billions worth of invoicing and businesses instances like factoring, down payment, credit debit notes, and many specialized cases with 18 plus exportable reports with filters which include currency, branch, business type, collector, vendor, and more. Details such as sales, collection, down payment, balance control are showcased herein, and you can regroup. Why don't we get down to one such report where I can create a detailed PDF, by currency, and more options like balance statement, accounts due, collection list, pending invoicing, non-fiscal down payment or layaway, collection prognosis and analysis, overdue with PDF and other markers to accommodate your needs. You will be able to apply down payments, charges, all overdue bills, select and execute charges, or say one customer overpaid, you can automatically set an adjustment tab, counter tab, and an accounting center. Evidence is quite robust and powerful regarding the accounting and fiscal modules, which are interlinked and maintain the integrity of your bookkeeping effortlessly. In the mighty Purchase module, you will find powerful tools for yourself and your work team because we put ourselves in the user's shoes. For instance, in purchase requisitions, I can pinpoint how much is requested in each one on a percentage basis. Authorization is displaced on the chart. You can additionally clone documents and hold support files, and you can see if the purchase requisitions has split into various purchases, and as you go on with the flow, purchase orders has many more options than requisitions and many other gadgets. I can directly attach an invoice to the document manager, and it will save the entire purchase file info, product, tax, retention, etc. Purchase orders, credit notes, petty cash flow, expense notes, purchase list with broad management tools like supplier valuation, receivables, buyer returns, along with hasty operating tools. Check out the great accounting module, undoubtedly the most professional so far. Set down all of the company's actions and policy cancellations. The generation of accounting records can be configured in the system from the Accounting Settings tab. where user will determine which policies must be generated automatically, as well as accounts related to each action. Some examples are sales, credit notes by refund, products on the move, purchases, collection, payments, payroll stops, etc. Empirically, everything going on inside the company. What's the plus side of automated policies? First of all, in real time, 24/7, the whole of the company's info is updated for the decision-making process, like overall status, financial statement, balance proof, and more. 24/7. Second, we can delete any entry errors and operation delays. Third, CPAs, instead of just being data entry persons dependent on accounting aides who may not rely 100% on the certainty of data being entered, become analysts, thereby enhancing the performance, effectively controlling the company's finances. In all accounting reports, data can be filtered periodically, quarterly, by specific date or starting balance. Plus, we can filter by means of additional tier accounting centers such as branches, projects, etc. Regarding policy, we can integrate accounting centers by adding an extra classification to all of the company's actions. You can hereby answer complex concerns regarding ROI, how worthy each project is, overhead, etc., along with many other things without the need of independent inquirers. It's all set forth and ready. Let's test this by clicking on a purchase. You can see that in a preset fashion, a product is added to the balance account. We have the option of selecting an accounting center. This process is also applicable to stockhouse movements, sale. Many of them are automatically checked as a result of operations at a concept or entry level, which means you can benefit one or more accounting centers in a single sale or purchase, which may be branches, projects, affiliates, business type, center, states, trucks, lightweight tractors, or any kind of administrative logic you must resort to for decision making. All of the above directly linked to the revenue service with the SAT Invoice tracing module, where user can request the data and metadata download for specific periods. Evidence conciliates counter policies, that is, accounting records, but also operational phases and imported files may be transformed into operations within evidence, linked to sales, purchases, collection, payments and policies. Plus, the exchange rate is updated and consulted with Banco de Mexico or the official Gazette of the Federation. Easing data entering in quoting, sale, collecting, payment, and accounting operations. An exclusive feature of Evidence is that, aside from being a powerful bookkeeping system, you reckon with a Fiscal Module where reports such as VAT, BIOT, income statement are readily available with top security, supplier backup, where the system will automatically consult with supplier status, where matchups are checked against the list, alerting user if transactions are being made with untrustworthy suppliers. The Stockhouse module showcases many tools and sections, inventory and supply. It features product consult, pending product tally, programmed tally, which tells employee he is to check upon serial number inventory, shipping lists, and product barcode. Additionally, there are special reports such as product Kardex, product price tag, shipping products, missing merchandise, product by supplier, sandbags, products by warehouse, prices and supply by warehouse, product by price list, low supply stock, general warehouse movement reports, inbounds and outbounds, and lots. In the catalog section, you will find features, labels, tariff fractions, line, brand, market, product, product type, packaging, business type, service processes, information manifests, and warehouse lots. If you desire to consult product catalog, the system feed is instantaneous. The system loaded 7,000 products in a split second. Within the chart, all relevant data is displayed, and with the tool set forth, we can make into a product reporting device by exporting information. Upon registering each product, we can select from a given list the catalog it corresponds to. Depending on the selection, the application form changes. We have name, code, SKU, measure unit, IRS code, barcode. In the suppliers section, we can identify each product supplier so as to tell them apart in browsing. Street name, re-engaging point, which may be modified by description, warehouse, whether or not it is subject to inventory, if it includes decimals, if it's perishable, if we can exclude it from online store, if it's a favorite and related to which balance accounts. Back to the application form, we can lay down if it's in-house manufactured. Within the reports, you have many other reports. You can rearrange columns and customize reports. Automated PPS, UFS calculations in real time so as to ascertain time-lapse costs behavior. Logistics module, where you can make shipment requisitions from the sales tab or the requisition itself with a new sale or a programmed one. The core of this panel is to follow up on shipments and acknowledge their statuses and to generate traditional waybill and stamped waybill. Payment module, which means treasury. Payables is quite groovy, for it displays purchase order and related purchase where you can check information separately and ascertain product detail, costs and service terms. Additionally, automated payments can be generated or with another user's authorization. Banks. This module bears a bank reconciliation and cash flow information function so that when a bank reconciliation happens, you can effectively upload commissions and the balance differences are identified, aiding user in spotting which operations have not been logged into the system. Users will be granted access and actions to the sole discretion of the head administrator established by levels. The system boasts different levels to customize for each user, group, or role. In the human resources systems, we comprise access, echelon, holiday programming, hazard leave, new candidates, position and prospect record, thereby providing a quick and friendly platform for recruiting. Employee Kardex with basic info, address, taxpayer number, work history, office, department, divisions, file uploads, rehiring, payroll, and clusterers. Employee registration is linked to analytic accounting, where we can determine accounting centers to prorate wages of each employee, forsaking obsolescent processes. Plus, it displays savings allocations, Fonacot, Infonavit, internal loans and food stamp information, alimentary pension, contacts, references, schooling, work history, all the necessary tools to preserve a healthy work relationship. Additionally, the system boasts individualized records such as grounds for dismissal, steps for candidate assessment, and payroll cluster. Payroll, importing check log register, authorized payroll, pre-payroll, outsourcing payroll, travel expenses, variable ISN, payroll catalog, accrued and provision payroll, project, Gantt diagrams where we can see project advancement, fixed assets, maintenance system, notifications where we can check control alerts we wish to disclose within the system, task assignment where we can determine user entitlement, what they can add, delete, create, etc. These facilities can be granted by user, group, or role. The list is regulated by color clusters. Blue, top clearance. Green, limited clearance. White, no clearance. User blog. We can oversee which users access by date, the logs and activities in each session. Plus, in the charts, there is a modified created by column, which indicate who made use of it. Let's review some of the leverage points. Number 1, comprehensive software. Number 2, multi-device, which means you can operate from anywhere you are without the need of installation, regardless of field, sale point, office, etc., making it the ultimate next generation tool in user experience. 3. With constant updates to enhance your tools and functionality, including changes in fiscal legislation, with an aggressive approach in system enhancement. 4. By hiring the institutional package level or higher, you will be able to contract adaptations or tailor-made developments, generic and adjustable within the system, which do not qualify as downloadable complements or components, but inbuilt. 5. Optimal usefulness. It's a friendly and intuitive system with guided tours to facilitate the user's learning process. 6. Simplified preliminary data configuration and migration, wherein the system will guide you step by step over each section and in order to get evidence going. These will help you carry out the most important entries such as customers, suppliers, products, initial balance, etc., thereby saving time and effort. What's more, there are sections for tutorials for these actions. 7. Evidence is lodged in AWS, providing certainty and security in the protection of data, where companies like Unilever, Netflix, General Electric are dwelt using similar technology, eliminating the need for backups or keeping a systems division for the operation of your ERP. Evidence takes care of everything, including troubleshooting. 8. Daily operational efficacy. From entering policies and accounting information with fully automated registration and glitch-free. It eliminates the need for manual entries and processes without delays or funnels, without duplicated information. 9. The corporation is institutionalized and employees' processes are made easy. Plus, all the information in every section, lists, charts, and reports can be exported to Excel. But you must have clearance, that is, authorization. Practically all of the system has the ability to export and even select what you desire to export. Next, we exemplify the aforementioned with an operation inside the purchase module. New purchase requisition. Let's add concepts. Save. We make it into a purchase order. Save. Quote request form in PDF to forward to different suppliers. Purchase order for approved proposal. Let's make it into a purchase. Purchase. Let's revisit options. Save. Warehouse inbound. Save. Save. Voila! Next, we exemplify from the sales module. New quote. We add concept. Save. Send. We turn the quote into a sale order. Sales orders. We check requests. Turn it into sale. We edit the sale. We add extra merchandise and services. Done. Stamp your document. We forward the invoice and warehouse outbound. Still have concerns? Visit our Common Questions section in www.evidencetech.com. As you can plainly see, Evidence is a cloud system wherein everything gets updated in real time. There are other highly specialized modules and exclusive versions. Please contact us for more information. Our portfolio boasts customers whose companies use Evidence to replace other leaders for niche troubleshooting issues, such as SAP and other renowned worldwide. We provide tailor-made accounting packages and developments.